Hi, this is Ben Peroisich with Remax Above and Beyond, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Well, today I wanted to answer the question, can you time the real estate market for greater profits when you sell? And there is a very interesting seasonal pattern in our marketplace, which I think you can take advantage of. I'm going to put a chart up here, and this chart shows the median sale price for Cuyahoga County. And if you take a look at it, I've drawn dots, several points along the bottom of the chart. Those dots correspond to the lows for the year, in that particular year. And this goes from July of 2020 through July of 2023. So it's 3 years of data. And we've got lows in February of 2021, January of 2022, and January of 2023. Those are the lows for those years. And then the down arrows at the top correspond with tops for the year. And we've got a top in August of 2020, a top in June of 2021, a top in July of 2022, and a top in June of 2023. So those represent price peaks for the year. So it's very interesting to note that basically we have our lows in January and our tops somewhere between June and July, usually between June and July. So what does this mean? Well, ideally, you want to be listed in February after the low for the year, and then you want to ride that crest higher as prices go up. And then they finally peak in June or July usually. So the question of can you time the market for greater profits? I think the answer to that is definitely yes. The chart proves it. And there's three, I think, important takeaways from this chart. Number one, the trend is up throughout. Even though you've got this zigzag throughout the year, you're still trending up over the course of the year. The next one is how regular the pattern is. This is 3 years of data. I'm pretty sure if I went back further, up till the crisis of '08, we would see a similar seasonal pattern. So I believe this is a reliable pattern. And then the biggest surprise to me, and I think it will be to you, is how early in the year we peak. We actually are peaking in June or July, maybe August. And from that point on, prices actually meander downward slightly. So you definitely want to be listed from February, which is after the bottom. Take advantage of that upward wave into the peak of prices that happens during the summer. I think most people would think that we peak in October or November, and I think it'd be logical to think that. But the data shows that the peak comes early during the summer. So that's your Real Estate Market in a Minute. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe.